Welcome to 4 days in Hanoi. We're the McGlynn family balancing farm life in Spain with travel during our Schengen breaks. Come along as we discover the sights, sounds and flavours of this amazing city. Welcome to Vietnam's old prison. We visited Hoa Lao prison, a place with deep history. We were able to buy tickets at the door, which cost 50,000 Vietnamese dong per adult, and the kids went in for free. In total it came to less than £3 for the 4 of us. We chose not to film much inside, it's something best experienced in person, but it left us with a lot to reflect on. How amazing is this tree? So we've got these from the street vendors. They're like donuts with banana in the middle. They are so good. After leaving the prison, we wandered through Hanoi's busy streets. The pavements here are often used as parking for mopeds, which means you're usually left to walk on the road. The traffic never really stops, even when you cross. The scooters simply weave around you. Strangely, it all works and everyone carries on their way. The kids, meanwhile, have loved treating the streets almost like a parkour playground. After all that exploring, it was definitely time to stop for some lunch. We found a lovely little restaurant where the food was fresh, full of flavour and absolutely delicious. One of our favourites was the Vietnamese spring rolls. We wrapped them ourselves in rice paper, which made the meal even more fun and memorable. After refuelling, it was time to hit the streets again, ready to see what else Hanoi had in store for us. We quickly stumbled upon Hang Ma Street, filled with lanterns, puppets and people all trying to capture the perfect picture. The street was open, with traffic weaving right through the crowds. It was a little overwhelming for us, so after taking it all in, we decided to move on. Next, we came across a mural-filled street, Phung. The murals include a golden Honda.
Motorcycles have become a symbol of life that many people aspire to achieve. Yeah, this used to be the motorcycle market right here.
Local stories say this street used to be used as one of the first motorbike markets in Hanoi. The murals bring those memories of trade, bikes and the city back to life.
So whenever we travel, Jem always loves to handwrite some key phrases and carry it with her.
Hey, it definitely helps. Right.
Come on.
Are you going to ask for the bill or shall I?
It's on you. Strolling around the lake, it was amazing to see how much greener everything is compared to our visit in 2016. Over the years, Hanoi has transformed the area by planting more trees. Across the lake, the skyline tells a different story, one of rapid growth. In the year since our last visit, new developments have transformed the horizon.
So guys, I think I have a lot I could bring to the team. Obviously you're all quite a young, vibrant team, and I think that my youthfulness and vibrancy would bring a lot to the team and could certainly help you achieve your goals.
With our drinks finished and our interview complete, we set off to continue our adventure. By the lake, we came across a common sun skink, a harmless local lizard often seen soaking up the sun on warm rocks. Our next stop was the Botanical Gardens. Entry cost just 2,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around 6 pence.
Thank you, darling.
We wandered the streets until we came across a lovely little restaurant. The food was amazing, so fresh and full of flavour, and each dish cost around 45,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about £1.27. Such a great find. We took a grab taxi to the Vietnam Museum of Ethnology. What a gem this place is. Entry was 40,000 Vietnamese dong, around £1.20 per person, and it's absolutely worth it. We explored the entire museum, but most of the footage we captured is from the outdoor area. It's such a beautiful space filled with the full-scale traditional houses from different ethnic groups across Vietnam. You can even wander inside many of them, which makes it feel incredibly immersive. It's a peaceful, fascinating place, and we'd highly recommend it to anyone visiting.
What's it like up there, guys?
Next stop, Train Street.
We made it to Train Street. Let's see if we get to see a train.
Some locals showed us this fun little trick. You put bottle caps on the track, wait for the train to pass. And then you pick up your flattened souvenirs.
Wow, look at those!
Our next stop was Kiếm Lake, always worth a visit. It's one of Hanoi's most photographed spots, and we saw plenty of people dressed up for photos. The lake is beautifully maintained with lush trees and flowers, making it a special place to visit. There's also a lovely little temple across the Red Bridge. We didn't go in this time as we weren't dressed appropriately, but we visited before and it's stunning. This was just a quick stop on our way to the Victory Museum. The Victory Museum costs 40,000 Vietnamese dong, which again is around £1.20, and it's definitely worth a visit if you're in Hanoi. The museum showcases Vietnam's military history with everything from historic photographs and documents to tanks and aircrafts on display. It's a fascinating insight into the country's past. Our next stop was Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum, a site of huge historical and cultural significance and one of Hanoi's most visited landmarks. We then unfortunately had to make the decision to leave Hanoi a little earlier than planned.
So we've had to make a decision. There is a typhoon.
A super typhoon. It's heading straight for Hanoi, which is where we are at the moment. Although we've been told that they cope quite well with them here, it's just not worth it for us with the kids.
So we're in the lucky situation where we can make a decision to leave. So we have, and we're off to the beautiful Vietnamese island of Quoc.
We are. Yeah, we were meant to be going to Thailand in about 5 days. We tried to reschedule our flight, but because of our flight isn't directly cancelled, we've not been able to, so we've just decided to cut our losses and head down south.
See you in Phuc.
We'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye.